As part of Women's History Month, we are highlighting Colorado women, helping make sure you get the medical help you need when you need it. And right now, women, they make up only about 36% of physicians across the country and 35% of emergency room doctors. And joining us now is Dr. Katie Sprinkel, the medical director of the emergency department of the Medical Center of Aurora. Thanks so much for joining us today, Dr. Sprinkel. So tell us about your role in the emergency department.
I'm the medical director, so currently I'm head of our staff, and I work with the nursing team and administrative things to make sure we can provide the best care we can on a daily basis.
Okay, so did you always know you wanted to be a doctor, and then how did you come to choose emergency medicine specifically?
Yeah, I think I decided at a pretty young age that I love science, and then I wanted to become a doctor probably as early as high school. And it's provided me a really unique opportunity to be able to interact with people in their time of greatest need and really have an impact. And so I haven't looked back. Emergency medicine also was a pretty easy choice for me. It's you get to interact with people in all walks of life, again at their time of greatest need, and it's generally not a boring job, and I really appreciate that.
Yeah, you get things thrown at you all times, right? Why is it important for women to get into the medical field, and specifically emergency medicine?
You know, I think women are becoming more and more represented in medicine, and in emergency medicine specifically as well. And I think the more women that we have both in medicine and in leadership, the more we can advocate for better care for women, which historically there's been a real inequity there.
I'm sure you have a lot of answers to this, but what is your favorite thing about being a doctor?
That we're challenged to, specifically in emergency medicine, we're challenged to be able to deal with anything that comes in the door at any minute on any given day. And that's an exciting challenge that I really relish.
That's great. Dr. Sprinkel, what would you say to anyone, specifically women or young girls, who may want to take the path that you chose?
You know, I'd say if healthcare and medicine really appeals to you, then absolutely go for it. I think, as with anything worthwhile in life, there's a lot of sacrifice involved in a career in healthcare and medicine, but for me at least, it's been very much worthwhile. And so to make those sacrifices is worth it.
Well, you truly are an inspiration, Dr. Sprinkel. Thank you so much, and for taking the time out to talk with us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, great talking to you. And remember, you can watch all of our health interviews right now on CBSColorado.com.